The U.S. introduces its newest fighter jet. The U.S. Air Force decided to divert those funds for research on cutting-edge combat jet designs as part of the NGAD program. The F-22 Raptor fleet will be replaced by this sixth-generation fighter aircraft in the coming years. The NGAD originates from DARPA's Air Dominance Initiative study in 2014 and is expected to field a new fighter aircraft in the 2030s. The secretive NGAD will then be able to directly fill the F-22 Raptor's air superiority role after the F-22's siren song, but not on a one-for-one basis. Developed to meet the USAF's Advanced Tactical Fighter ATF requirement for an F-15 replacement. Requirement for a new fighter was issued in the early 1980s. Two companies competed to meet this USAF requirement, including Lockheed Martin, which teamed up with Boeing and General Dynamics, with a YF-22 prototype in Northrop, which teamed with McDonnell Douglas, with its IF-23. In 1991, the YF-22 design was announced the winner. It was more agile than the IF-23 but less stealthier and slower. Between 1990 to 1997 to YF-22, prototypes evaluated some of the technologies proposed for the production ATF. The EMD contract issued in August 1991 called for 11, later reduced to 9, F-22s. Two were planned as F-22 B2-seaters, but this aspect of the program was canceled in 1996 as a cost-saving measure. The first EMD F-22A made the type's maiden flight in 1997. By early 2001, the four available EMD aircraft had demonstrated the type's excellent capabilities. However, the U.S. Congress called into question the value of such a costly, high-profile program. Low-rate initial production of the F-22 was finally approved subject to compliance with stringent objectives. Production of the Raptor ceased in 2011. The last F-22 was delivered to the USAF in 2012. Currently, the USAF operates 186 operational F-22 fighters. This air dominance fighter forms the core of the USAF's warfighting selection. Interestingly, the F-22 was never offered for export customers, even other NATO countries. This advanced aircraft cannot be exported to other countries under the U.S. federal law. The F-22's configuration is designed to meet VLO criteria. Key features, including a trapezoidal wing whose angles are repeated on other surfaces to reduce radar signature, canted fins, and internal weapons bay. The core of the offensive avionics is provided by the APG-77 multi-mode radar and a side-mounted phased array radar. The highly integrated avionics systems also include a data link, inertial navigation system with embedded GPS for high-accuracy navigation, and advanced electronic warfare, warning, and countermeasures systems. Two central computers manage the automatic switching of the sensors between completely passive and wholly active operation, according to the tactical situation. Artificial intelligence algorithms fuse data from the sensors and present only relevant information to the pilot to reduce workload, while at the same time improving tactical awareness. The data link allows tactical information to be shared with other F-22s. It is worth mentioning that many of sensors and avionics of this plane remain classified. The F-119 engine's high military power rating allowed the F-22 to supercruise over long ranges, while thrust vectoring nozzles, combined with a triplex fly-by-wire flight control system, make it exceptionally agile. The F-22 started life as a straightforward air superiority fighter. However, since its introduction, this aircraft lacks a formidable air threat from other countries' fighters. Later, it evolved towards the multi-role fighter, as strike capability was added. If you enjoyed content like this, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this video, because I appreciate all your support.